Hi, this is Rob Packard from Medical Device Academy, and this is a short video explaining what you get when you purchase our implant card procedure. It's a new procedure for compliance with the new European MDR, and if you want to purchase the procedure, you go to our SOP page. At the top of the page on our website, we have a menu bar. It says SOPs. You scroll down to number 37, implant card procedure. Click on that. It takes you to the page for that. The video is not shown here right now because I'm recording it as we speak. It says on this page, you get the implant card procedure, a checklist for information to be provided with the patient and the implant, an implant card checklist itself for the making sure that your implant card is complete, a link to a YouTube video recording the webinar that Matthew Walker did on what the requirements are for an implant card according to the regulation, and a 10-question quiz for training effectiveness. And when you submit that exam to us, we grade it and give you a training certificate. To purchase it, you click on this link below, and that allows you to pay by PayPal or with a credit card. Once you've confirmed your desire to be on the subscription list to get automatic updates to it, we'll send you the email with the links. So here's a link for one of the documents, another one for the guidance document, the European guidance document that's new. And here are the actual procedures attached. We can only attach a certain quantity of them because we had an upper limit for the number of megabytes that we can attach. But all of the things, including the YouTube video, are here. And then if you go over to this part of my page, I can show you what's in the procedure. So starting at the top, we have the purpose of the procedure. It's compliance with the new European regulation 2017-745, specifically Article 18. The inputs are your technical documentation. The outputs are the checklist for the information provided and the implant card itself. And it's an input also into your UDI procedure. Here's the revision history. You'll update this as you make changes to the procedure over time. And then we have the body of the procedure. It tells you step-by-step what to do. And then at the end of the procedure, we have this section, monitoring and measuring. In accordance with our procedure for monitoring, measuring, and data analysis, we suggest that you identify a process metric to measure for each process or procedure. So you would enter that in here. We have training requirements. So anybody responsible for this procedure would be trained on this procedure. Then we have risk management. We have a risk-based process approach for all our procedures. And then we have the records that are maintained for this procedure. And because they're implants, all the records would be for 15 years. Next, we have checklists. So this is the information to be supplied with the patient, provided to the patient with the implants themselves. And so we have each of the clauses of the regulation, and the documentation goes next to it, including languages. And then next, we have an implant card checklist. So this is making sure your implant card is complete. And last but not least, we have our exam. So you get a 10-question exam, fill in the blank, true, false, multiple choice. And it says at the top, provide a passing score of 7 out of 10, and you submit it to us by email in native file format. We'll grade it and send you back a training certificate. So that's what you get when you purchase our procedure. Included, and I didn't show you a picture of this, it was in the background, but here's the YouTube video that you'll get as well, or a link to it. And it's about a 22-minute video explaining the implant procedure requirements for Article 18. So that's everything that goes with this procedure. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us, and hope this was helpful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.